Hey everyone, we're gonna make some sugar-free Nutella. I make this recipe so often, I don't even really measure anything anymore, so we're just gonna get started. I have some roasted hazelnuts. You really need a good blender or a good food processor for this. Just put them in, fill it to as high as the fill line is, and we're gonna grind these up. And once they get really well ground like that, just kind of mix it up a little, and you need to add some oil. Now I've got some melted coconut oil, but you can use avocado oil, you can use hazelnut oil, that's a great one. You just add some oil in, and you're gonna try to grind it till it becomes a total butter. Okay, then we're going to add some cocoa powder. And I usually do a couple of tablespoons, just depending on how many hazelnuts I've put in. And I use some of my favorite low-carb sweetener, Swerve, and I use the powdered version so it's not gritty. Another couple tablespoons. I find that I don't need to sweeten this much. I love the flavor of the chocolate and hazelnut together. A little bit of vanilla, and chocolate's always good with a little salt, so just a little bit of salt. And you're gonna grind it again. And you can see it's become smooth and creamy. And there you've got it. You've got sugar-free Nutella. You can spread this over muffins, you can drizzle it over ice cream, or you can do what I do, eat it with a spoon. For the full recipe, visit alldayidreamaboutfood.com.